Good afternoon to everyone, or good evening, or good morning, whatever it is. Yeah. How I meet atomy products, especially Hemohim and Alaska Omega 3. My name is Joe Edades, a Filipino, but now an Irish citizen. I live and work here for 20 years now. I came to Ireland only October 7, 2001, and my wife and my kids joined with me lately, year 2005, because it's really hard to be far away from your family. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity to join and speak and to share with you my testimony. Uh, how I wish that all of us here are in good mode and free from any disturbances. Yeah. Actually, here in Ireland, we're still in lockdown, still on level 5. So all establishments are still closed, except for those establishments with the essential products like groceries, like that, and those who are selling PPE, personal equipment, uh, protective equipment. Sorry, close is still close, and even the favorite places of the Irish people. Do you know what I mean? Especially during weekend, the resto bars, temple bars, drinking places, etc., like that. So that is why when they lifted the lockdown last September last year, that's the time that the COVID-19 spread very fast from around 500 confirmed cases on September to 8,700 confirmed cases last December 2020. As a matter of fact, day by day, I monitor the HSC, or the Health Service Executives daily report on how many got COVID-19 and how many died daily, etc. To cut short my stories, I got COVID-19 on the 3rd week of January. Having a coronavirus, well, it was really, really terrible things happened to my life. And I never experienced a disease like this for my 50 years of existence on this planet. It's a weird once life experience. You smell nothing, even the strong favorite perfume that I use daily, I can't smell it, Foods are tasteless. That's why I only survive eating cassava, sweet potatoes, skyflakes, because I bomb it a lot. Especially when I eat some fatty, oily foods. My brain is already drained and empty, and I can't sleep. I woke up every minute due to I keep on coughing. Coughing is the worst experience I ever had during this pandemic. I keep on coughing, and uh, my throat are very, very sore already, because even if I stop coughing, still the more I cough. That's what I experienced this COVID-19. And I feel very, very weak, very desperate, stressed. My whole body is drained and empty, and very, very tired. I feel very, very tired, Desperately, in the sense that I already called my cousin working in the hospital, asking for help, whether they will admit me or not. And so he advised me that I think you are still healthy, he said, and strong, and you're still breathing, he said, because in the hospital they only admit those like dying or those older person. That's their priority. My cousin said, "You're not a priority." So uh, my sister from Canada was my angel, because ahead of time she already planned to send Hemohim fortunately and luckily, by God's grace, uh, it arrives during the peak, and that are losing my hope on how to stop this unbearable situation. And upon the arrival of the Hemohim, I grab and I drink 2 sachets of Hemohim, and I drink every 4 hours, you know. So I use pack of 6 of Hemohim a day. And the next morning, I already feel relief. My sore throat is gone, you know. I'm no longer coughing, but a little bit, you know. My whole body's regained my strength, and my eating habits back to normal. Everything was normal physically and mentally, emotionally, and spiritually as well. So that's how powerful this Hemohim is. He saves me from COVID-19. And if we can say Hemohim is a Bugatti, if it's a supercar, it's a Bugatti, you know. It's a what we call a Rolls Royce, but I know the price is very low. One thing more, Hemohim changed my sleeping habits. Due to I can hardly breathe at night, and I use the nasal spray, the soda fade every night for 3 years. But now I normally sleep without that nasal spray because of Hemohim. And I have my gout in my left thumb foot, and it's gone as well. And it's gone also. It's like as big as the corn, you know, seeds of corn. Now, I have also gastritis for so many years, because the time I love drinking the reed balls, you know, the reed balls and the locust seeds, and that's what I got my my gastritis. And I woke up every morning. I keep on vomiting, and a little while I take omeprazole for a year, but it doesn't work. It's only Hemohim that resolved this sickness of mine. I will continually use this functional health supplements, Hemohim, throughout my whole life with my family. And I will introduce this also and share this experience to inspire fellow Atomians to promote this product and other products as well. I already recommend this to my coworkers, to my relatives and friends, especially those with illnesses. I hope that my 3 boxes coming from Philippines arrive soon, and 1 box coming from Canada, and half of it is already sold out, you know. And the other items, hopefully, I will give it as a giveaways, like the toothpaste, toothbrush, and maybe the 2 boxes of Hemohim to give to my co-workers, like that. 1 pack each, just to try them, you know. And last but not the least, I already earned my first commission since last week. And that's all for now. Thank you. Dream big, set goals, and take action. Thank you, John. That's all.
Thank you so much, Joe. You know, my hair is, I don't know how to explain the appreciation. And every time I hear from other people that they also benefited from this amazing product that we have, I'm really could not hide my, appreciation with the product. And I myself is big benefactor of Hemohim. If not Hemohim, I don't know where I ended up my medical condition. But Joe, thank you so much for sharing it to us, especially at this moment of this pandemic.